Hello guys, welcome back, and I want to share some videos tips on how to change your name on your profile page. So if you are new in this channel, uh, don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and click the notification bell so that you can be updated on my next videos. So let's go back. So we go to Facebook and we go to our Facebook page, and as you can see, the name of my Facebook is Sports, Music, and Gaming Lab. So if you want to change it, just go to the circle on the right on the top of your phone, just click it and go to settings and privacy. So then click the settings, then go to page setup. So click the name, and as you can see, if you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. So if you change your username, just think wisely. So I delete it and just type your username you want. So if your username is finished, just click review changes, then wait for 2 to 3 days to change the username page. So that's it, and hope it can help, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and click the notification bell for more updates. God bless.